Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to create an account online of Halifax Bank. So, let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Halifax Bank account opening and click on this first website over here. Now, choose the type of account you want. Now, simply click on Apply as a new customer, so let's tap on this. Now, choose if you are an existing Halifax customer and provide the details here. If you have been in the UK for more than 3 years, simply click on Continue over here. Now, we need to enter all of our details here and simply click on Continue over here. After this, verification of our details will be done. After this, we get into the next step. After this, our account will finally be created. So, this is all we can do to create an online account of Halifax Bank. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe.